Division Superintendent Dr. Carolina S. Violeta, District Supervisor Dr. Roger R. De Padua, Guest Speaker Ms. Amici C. Velara, our Barangay Captain Honorable Florante Malimbang along with his council, to all dedicated AES teachers, to our school principal, Mrs. Marjorie M. Baloto, and to all the proud parents who are with us today, and to my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon to us all. I stand before you today filled with so many emotions that it's hard to put into words. I feel proud, happy, and grateful, but I also feel a little bit nervous because today marks the end of one chapter of our lives and the beginning of a new and exciting one. And with this moment comes so many memories of our time here together. Memories of laughter, hard work, challenges, and of course, the triumphs. But most importantly, as I stand here today, I can't help but reflect on the sacrifices and struggles that brought us all here and how this have shaped us into who we are today. Looking back on these years, I've realized that our journey has not been easy. There were times when we stumbled, when we felt defeated, or when we didn't think we could go on. There were days when we didn't understand the lesson, when the project felt too big, or when we felt like we just wanted to quit. I know I've had those moments, times when I thought that the work was too much, when I felt like I wasn't good enough, or when I thought my dreams are too far away to reach. But through every difficult moment, one thing kept me going: my parents. When I was struggling with homework, when I stayed up late feeling defeated, it was my parents who told me, "Don't give up, you can do it." They weren't just helping me with my homework, they were also giving me something much more valuable: belief. They believed in me when I didn't believe in myself. My parents made countless sacrifices. I always look at the times they worked hard just to make sure I have everything I needed. Whether it was waking up early to make sure I have everything for school, staying up late to help me with my projects, or even putting their own needs aside so I could have the opportunities I have today. I know that everything I've achieved is because of their hard works and their love. Their sacrifices were never easy, but they made them anyway because they believed in me and my future. Their love, their strength, and their dedication have been my guiding light. And I have a dream. One day I want to stand in front of an audience of graduates, just like us, and deliver a speech like this. I want to talk about how far I've come, how I've overcome obstacles, and how I've made my dreams a reality. I'll be doing this for my parents because they are the reason why I'm standing here and deliver my speech. To our advisor, Ma'am Ruth Tomas As, thank you for being the guiding light through all the ups and downs of this school year. Your belief in us gave us strength to keep going even when things seem tough. You've not only taught us lessons from books, you've also taught us lessons for life. Thank you for seeing what I sometimes couldn't see in myself. Your belief in me inspired me to work harder, dream bigger, and never give up. I am truly grateful to have had you as my advisor. To my grade 1 advisor, Ma'am Justin Sosa, thank you for being part of the start of my journey. I still remember as you held our tiny hands and guided us through our very first lessons, always encouraging us to try even when we were scared or unsure. To our subject teachers and advisors from grade 1 to grade 6, thank you for your patience, love, and dedication. You adapted, adjusted, and gave us your best just to make sure we continue to learn. Thank you for being more than just educators. You were mentors, guides, and sometimes even superheroes. Saludo po kami sa inyo. To my journalist and coach, Ma'am Arian Mendoza, thank you for your unwavering support. Even when we were celebrating with victories or learning from losses, even though I didn't make it to the division contest we were hoping for, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for never losing faith in me. Your trust, guidance, and encouragement meant more to me than any medals or certificates. To my SELG and Kids Advisor, Ma'am Mercy Tenorio, thank you for guiding me not only in my responsibilities, but also in becoming more confident, responsible, and passionate in everything I do. Being a part of an organization under your leadership has taught me so many valuable lessons. Lessons I will carry with me as I move on to the next chapter of my journey. To our parents and guardians, maraming salamat po sa sakripisyo. You were our first teachers, our cheerleaders, and our best friends through it all. Thank you for every packed lunch, every early morning wake-ups, every word of encouragement, and every time you reminded us to never give up. To our classmates and friends, thank you sa mga tawanan at sa kulitan, sa mga pagtutulungan natin sa mga group activities, at sa masasayang samahan. You made this journey lighter and full of joy. You were some of the most awesome, funny, and talented people I know. I am so proud to every one of us. To the people who stood by me, cheered me on, and reminded me to smile even on my hardest days. My best friends, Aileen, Caitlin, Risha, Margot, Faye, Anika, Precious, and Precious. We may not have had perfect days all the time, but every memories we shared together have made my elementary journey unforgettable. Thank you for always reminding me that success is sweeter when it's shared with the people who truly care. I will carry our friendship with me wherever I go. To my batchmates, we've grown together, laughed together, struggled together, and achieved so many things side by side. Every classroom moment, every group projects, and every shared challenges and victory. Those memories are what made this journey so special. Let's leave here with big dreams, brave hearts, and belief that we can do anything we set our minds to. Yes, sa Batch 2025, congratulations sa ating lahat. We are not just moving up, we are moving forward, stronger, wiser, and ready to move on to the next chapter of our lives. Let's continue to shine not just for ourselves, but also for the people who believed in us. Let's go out there and make it amazing. Mabuhay tayo lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Isabel de Vries S. Rock.